Okay, so we've got a box of mass, 1.5 kilograms, and it's placed on a plane which is inclined at an angle of 30 degrees. We can see that here. Coefficient of friction, mu, is 1/3. Box is kept in equilibrium by a light string which lies in a vertical plane containing a line of greatest slope of the plane. The string makes an angle of 20 degrees, that's there, as shown in figure 1. The box is in limiting equilibrium, which means it's on the point of slipping, and it's about to move up the plane, which means F max is going to be going that way. The tension in the string is T newtons. The box is modelled as a particle. Find the value of T. Okay, so first we draw our own little diagram. So here's particle, 1.5 g for the weight. Here's 30. There's T. That's 20. That's R. And going down, we've got F max. Okay, those are all the forces. We're going to resolve the T and we're going to resolve the 1.5 g. Okay, so this angle's 30, so this is going to be 1.5 g cos 30 because it's adjacent to this 30 degrees, and that means that this one here will be 1.5 g sine 30. And then if we resolve this T, then we've got adjacent to the 20, we've got T cos 20, and then going up we'll have, sorry the angle doesn't look very good, but it's supposed to be parallel to the R, and that is T sine 20. Okay, so now we can say resolving parallel to the plane, we've got everything going this way, T cos 20 equal to everything going this way, equals F max plus 1.5 g sine 30, and then resolving perpendicular to the plane, we've got everything going up, which is R plus T sine 20 is equal to everything going down, 1.5 g cos 30. Now we're trying to find T, so we know that F max is mu R, so we can rearrange this one, equation 2, to make R the subject, and then we can put that into here. Instead of F max, we can write mu R. Okay, so first let's write R equals 1.5 g cos 30 minus T sine 20, and then, so this is equation 2. And then we want to rewrite equation 1 as T cos 20 equals 1/3, and now we can put this in instead of R. So 1/3 times 1.5 g cos 30 minus T sine 20, and that's equal, plus 1.5 g sine 30, and that's equation 1 again. Okay, so now we can multiply out this bracket, so we get T cos 20 equals 1/3 times 1.5 g cos 30 minus 1/3 T sine 20 plus 1.5 g sine 30. Okay, now we want to get everything to do with T on one side and everything not to do with T on the other, so we add this to both sides, so we get T cos 20 plus 1/3 T sine 20 equals 1/3 times 1.5 g cos 30 plus 1.5 g sine 30. Okay, now we can take T out here, so we get T open brackets cos 20 plus 1/3 times sine 20 equals this stuff, so 1/3 times 1.5 g cos 30 plus 1.5 g sine 30. Okay, so now we can just divide by this, both sides, and we'll get T equals 1/3 times 1.5 g cos 30 plus 1.5 g sine 30 all over cos 20 plus a third sine 20. And when you put this on your calculator, you get 11 newtons to 2 sig figs. Okay, however, if you put all this lot in at once into your calculator, you almost certainly won't get 11, because calculators are stupid and they can't manage doing this many things at once. Okay, so try and do it step by step, and say you work out this bit, then put that into your memory, this bit, put that into your memory, and then this bit, and then do the, do the sum and the division, because otherwise it might get confused.